Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM, and in this video I'm going to reveal a new feature that's coming out that I'm really excited about. It is the ability to get part numbers for an assembly. I know that we have a command to generate a single part number for a particular Solidworks item or CAD item, which is very cool. But I'm going to show you how you can get a series of part numbers for an entire subassembly or even a top-level assembly. Now let's just start quickly. I'm just going to show you that I have my catalog set up in OpenBOM and I have my part numbering set up. There's lots of videos on how to do that, but you'll see that when I have that set up and I add new items, OpenBOM increments gives me the next part number. So we use that capability over here in CAD, and I'm going to demonstrate this in Solidworks, but it works in other CADs as well. And I'm going to look specifically at this clutch subassembly. And if we were to take a peek at this right now, we'll see that it does not have a part number property, and none of these other bits have part numbers either. So here's what's new. The generate part number command has some new options here. We always had the ability to say where to go get the part number from, where do we want to put it. We have some choices there. But now we can say, look, generate part numbers for this assembly structure. I can tell OpenBOM whether or not I want to recurse down into subassemblies. In this case, I don't happen to have any, but if I did, and I can say, look, create new part numbers for these things, even if they already have one. So that's it. So I've got a few extra options here. I say generate part number, and after a few seconds, what we will find is that our Solidworks items catalog has a lot of new part numbers checked out right here, and those part numbers have been assigned to the items in this assembly. So let's take a look now. We'll see, okay, great, it looks like I've got part number 1003 here. Looks like this one over here, this clutch plate, probably has a part number 1005, etc. So I've reserved all of those. Part numbers, and now all I need to do is save this into OpenBOM, and we'll go ahead and update all of those items in OpenBOM. So that's a sneak peek at a new feature, get part numbers for an entire assembly. Coming soon.